Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. 2 weeks ago I shared my friend's SRT4 on the channel. He's an over-the-road trucker, so he just bought the car basically, and he didn't really get to test it out as much. So he let me use the car to like shoot a review, but at the time when I wanted to shoot the review, I didn't really know what was in the car. So the review basically just turned into me driving around, basically. So now that I know what's in the car and what to expect, I'll probably do another review, or I'll do like something more in depth. But when I was driving the car, something happened. The check engine light came on, and it kind of sounded like the turbo was it was leaking.
Something like it restricts you from going.
Because the power kind of became lackluster and whatnot.
3,500 RPMs.
So we're taking the car to the shop right now, to one of our boys named Chino, and we're gonna see what's wrong with the car, because the check engine light, I don't know if you guys can see that, is on right now. And I think it's a boost leak. We're gonna find out and see what's wrong with the car, and we're gonna remedy it, get it fixed, and get the car back up and running.
I don't know if you guys can hear that.
Put it together, but it's got this. Damn, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it seems like the seal came out for the turbo. That explains it.
See right here? See? So, now let it cool down.
That happened instantly, because I drove it 2 weeks ago, and then
yeah, what happens is maybe it's got bad engine mounts, or it shouldn't. But when you bang gear, it rocks the motor,
okay,
and it just pops it out.
yeah,
There should be a T-bolt there. That's just a regular clamp.
because it doesn't have, it has upgraded mounts on it.
Yeah, I see the mount right there. So it just probably has either it didn't tighten all the way, or it should be a T-bolt there.
Sure.
Let it cool down. I'm gonna go pick up a part, alright?
Alright. Turbo?
Compressor wheel. You see how it's like this and like that?
Yeah, yeah.
You gotta
Oh,
You gotta rotate the compressor wheel so it's like that and shove it in. That's it, man. Bitch.
Damn. Yeah, that shit looks like a bitch.
This is the very last one. It's down by the downpipe. The downpipe right here.
Yeah, yeah.
Sino for that shit?
It's hot.
They don't have the.
Get in there.
They have one in there.
Oh, I see what you're saying. So you think it moved that much during driving that it?
No, they just never clocked it. Just shoved that shit in.
Oh,
So that coupling and the turbo was hanging by like say threads, you know?
I got you.
It wasn't fully on.
All right, battery's gone. We kind of rotated he rotated the turbocharger, trying to get it on there directly, but it looks like the coupling, it's, if you look at the coupling, it looks dismembered, so we might have to get another one. Whoever built this car, like the way they put the downpipe and the turbocharger together, it just didn't, they just put it together, they didn't line it up right.
Huh?
Had to double cup it. That coupling's going bad, it's not good.
Something was disconnected, right?
Hmm?
Go ahead, turn it off.
No engine light. It's going into boost, baby. Feel a little bit. Back. Yeah, horrible turn radius. So I can't really hit it too hard because we need another coupling. The way that the piping was, in the car, it's hard to explain. It was like an S. So we had to straighten out the turbo and pipe that it was connected to. And when we did that, the coupling is already accustomed to the old way it was already put in, so it's not gonna hold if you bang gear. So we're gonna wait till another day to change the coupling. But that was the problem, was the turbocharger and I guess the downpipe to it or whatever was in a shitty position. It's good, dude. All right, man. Call Carlos.
Calling Carlos at work.
Yo.
What up, gato?
Shit, I just dropped the car off at your place, at your mom's crib.
What happened? Why did it fucking take forever?
The freaking hold up. The way that whoever put the turbo in the car and the pipe that connects to it, like the downpipe, or whatever the name of that shit is,
yeah.
They didn't line up the turbo with the pipe. They just like put the coupling and then they put it together. So it was like an S. Instead of being a straight line, it was more like an S. So eventually over time, since the, like, you know, when you bang in gears and whatnot, it starts to shift already. It puts pressure on the coupling, and it got loose.
Oh shit.
So it was a bitch because the way the turbo is, the turbo's in the back of the car. You know what I mean? It's like in the back of the back of the engine bay. So it was hard to get the bolts. And not only that, freaking the car was hot. It took forever to cool off. Like Chino burned himself like 10 times.
Damn.
And then so he got the bolts loosened and he straightened out the car. But in the process, like the coupling thing, the rubber thing that holds it together, it's stretched out because it was in an S form for like forever. So
it was in the S form forever?
Yeah, like the coupling, it was stretched out. So when he straightened it out, the thing was still stretched out. So it's worn out. Like you need another one.
Oh, okay.
So Chino said whenever you get back in town and whatnot, he's like, we can do it again, like get another one. But it's good to run right now, but you don't want to bang the gears or whatnot because it's gonna happen again, you know, eventually.
No, what I'm gonna do is gonna buy the whole kit and put it like in the front, like face forward.
Yeah, but like
turbo on the front.
I know, but that costs money. But until then, like you can get that fixed for now. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I mean, if it's like, what, a couple of bucks, maybe like $200 to $300 to get that part, I'm gonna have to do it. But
No, it's not gonna be
It's
that much.
just-
It's like a rubber hose or some shit.
yeah, I know what you're talking about. The one that's like a rubber hose that holds it.
Yeah.
But did he put it back on it, but it was loose again, or
No, he put
he
it.
couldn't put it back on?
No, it's on. It didn't disconnect. It's on. Just the thing about that is that it's, you gotta look at it. Like I'll send you a picture. You gotta look at it. It looks like it's formed. It's bigger than what it's supposed to be in a way. It's like a hooker's pussy.
You know what?
It's like a hooker's pussy.
Bitch.
It's on there. It's not as tight as it
It's
should be. Yeah, it's loose. You get it, right?
it's like that's funny.
Stupid, bro.
But how's it running though? Is it running good?
Yo, that turbo kicked in. I was like, all right, that's a car. That's 436 right there. But I didn't take it all. I didn't take it all the way though. I took it like to 4,000 RPMs because I didn't want to. Because you
The
know.
turbo kicks in from 3 to 4,000 RPM.
Yeah. Like I got to.
That shit.
I felt a little bit of it.
That shit, I'm telling you, that shit full.
Shit, yeah, man.
I gotta get that shit fixed ASAP. I wish you would have told you what part it is so I could order it.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling you right now.
I don't know what's the name of it. That's not the name.
I'll find out. I gotta find out. I don't know.
I mean, yeah, I gotta find out. If you would have told you, tell them to get this part called in, and then I'll look at Amazon right now and I'll order that bitch. So when I get there next week, I'll go get it fixed.
Oh, you coming next week?
Yeah, I get there Thursday.
Oh shit. All right.
Okay, I need to put that fucking cover on.
Yo, next week
I gotta cover 'em.
Next week I'm gonna shampoo the inside for you. I was looking at.
I want to clean the inside. I want to clean the roof. I really care about the roof.
I was looking at the inside and I was like, yo, this shit's like stained.
Yeah, it's dirty. I mean, it's the old, that's fucking it's the old cars, you know. But at least they're not, the back seats and stuff, they're not ripped and shit, you know.
That's a driver's seat though.
Yeah, that's common on those cars though, because every time you come out, they're bucket seats. It's like you drag your body on them. So.
Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. So until next time, microfiber only. Like, share, subscribe. Peace.